today I'm going to share with you 7 quick and easy ways to spend less money. So let's get started. Using lists. One of the biggest culprits of overspending is impulse purchasing. But by using a shopping list, we can reduce impulse purchasing and save money in the process. To start, make a list of all the items you need before you go shopping. Be sure to include everything you need, from groceries to household items to clothing. When you're at the store, stick to your list as much as possible. Avoid wandering down aisles that don't have items on your list, and resist the urge to buy things that aren't on your list. By using a shopping list, you can also save money by buying items in bulk or taking advantage of sales. Subscriptions. Many of us have subscriptions and payments that we no longer use or need. This can add up to a significant amount of money over time. This could be anything from a gym membership to a streaming service. Once you've identified these subscriptions and payments, cancel them as soon as possible. After doing that, go through the list again and ask yourself if you really need all of the ones you've left active. Lastly, go through the list one more time and see if you can get any of them any cheaper. For example, you get 2 months of Disney Plus free if you pay annually instead of monthly. I've been able to get a year of Disney Plus using Tesco Club Card points in the past. You can also check your mobile phone or broadband contracts to see if you can get any free subscriptions as part of the package. Food. Food is one of the biggest expenses for many of us, but there are ways to save money without sacrificing taste or nutrition. One of the best ways to save money on food is to meal plan. This can be as simple as making a list of meals that you want to cook and the ingredients that you will need. Once you have your meal plan, make a grocery list and stick to it when you go shopping. Another way to save money on food is to limit going out for food or ordering takeaways. If you tend to order in for convenience, then try to keep something at home that's easy, such as pizzas in the freezer. Then, if you want something quick and simple, you can reach for those instead of your phone to order something in. Waiting. We see something we want to buy and we're tempted to make the purchase right away. But often, waiting overnight can help us to make a more informed decision and save money in the process. When we wait overnight to buy something, we give ourselves time to think about whether we really need the item and whether it's worth the cost. We can also do some research to find the best deal or look for coupons and promo codes that help us save money. Days out. Entertainment can be a major expense for families, but there are plenty of ways to have fun without breaking the bank. Here are some ideas for cheaper or free activities. Pack a picnic lunch and spend the day exploring nature. Instead of going to a movie or restaurant, have a game night at home. Play board games, card games, or video games as a family. Many libraries offer free activities for families, like story time or craft workshops. Hiking is a great way to get exercise and enjoy nature as a family. Look for local trails or parks that offer hiking opportunities. By looking for cheaper or free activities, you can save money and still have fun as a family. For more ideas, check out my video linked up here. Save first. An easy way to spend less and increase your savings is to make your savings automatic and the first thing you account for. This way, when you start to look at your month's budget and allocate your money, you are dealing with the income of what's left over after saving, preventing you from allocating too much in a place it doesn't need to be. If you want to hear more about how I budget my money and see the benefits of a zero-based budgeting method, then check out my video over here. If you have another tip to easily save money, then leave it in the comments to help someone else out. Subscribe for more personal finance tips. Thank you for watching. Bye.